So, hey guys, I'm back. I'm sorry about last week. I couldn't post a show because there was a problem going on with our computer. So it's good enough we got it fixed and now I can shoot a video. I'm trying to make up, I might do 2 shows this week. But I know I gotta do one for this week though, and then I might just do one Wednesday, Thursday. Sorry I couldn't do a show last week. I'm really sorry. It's a computer really. It's good enough that we got it fixed. And I'll shoot a video. So I'm just glad to be back on my show, and now I'm in a new studio, currently in a new house, and I'm gonna give you guys a house tour soon, and that is what I might do for my show this week. But if not, then I might do it next week. So yeah. Doing is blind bag and since I'm in my sorry about that. Since I'm in my new studio, I might have to get a poster hung up here for Rad Kids TV. But I'm just moving, so I gotta wait a little while. But I might be doing it this weekend or whatever. But yeah, we're doing blind bag eggs. So let's go.
Is My Little Pony blanket. And then on the back it has 24 collection of them. And that's what I'm going to do. So I have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, left underneath, 5. And if you're going to, you can get these from any store. I got mine from the dollar store. I was finna get some shop cans from Walmart, but it was only 4, and I needed about 10 of them since they're a little packed. And it was only 4 really. Then my sister needed 2, and I was running have to do 2. I was like, no, I'm just gonna wait till I just go to get still and get some. But when they get some new shop cans, I'm going back and get that. This is my first time doing some blind bags. Really. So, if you're going to do blind bags, you get it from any store, Walmart, you can get it from the dollar store, Walgreens, CVS, Target, all the stores, really, but not most stores, really, okay? And then you got to have some scissors to cut the bags open, but make sure you get permission from your parent. To get the first one, to get my glasses. Rainbow Dash, because it's kind of cute and that's my favorite color. It's still blue, and then my other favorite color is mint green, so yeah. But do they have mint green? Mint green right here. And she is called, can't see, Wavy. Because she got waves in her hair, I guess. Wait, what else she got for you? And her name is Haley. She is cheerful and friendly to everyone. Haley. She has some blue wings. She has yellow hair, a yellow tail, and she has her palms in the front lifted up. So that's her. Her name too. I'm just going to stick it up here, of course. Okay. Haley. And it's actually the same one right here. Haley. So I have two Haleys, I guess. You know what? I'm just going to leave their cards in a pile right here. And leave them right here. Right. Hard to tell, but there she goes. So I got 3 done, 2 more to them right here, right now. Sorry about this fancy moving with the loading on it. Okay, so hopefully I get my favorite one here. Oops. Candy apples! Oh, she's so adorable! That is so cute. Candy apples. Oh! So she has orange hair, and she's got like a little country ponytail. Winsley, oh my gosh, she's so adorable too. That's her. Here's a good picture of them.
That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. Here's all my ponies, and here's all my collection. These are my ponies, my Little Pony collection, My Little Pony collection cards. That's all I got for you guys today. Hope you guys check out my video next week, and you can be still looking out for this week video from the reposted one. Go check our Instagram at HisTV, and you can also subscribe. It's free, and you know what I'm gonna do for this? I'm just gonna be doing shout-outs to the people who comment down below. So comment down below which one is your favorite. It's this one, this one, this one, and this one. Not this one because they are the twins. So pretty much they look alike. So, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Damn! Peace out, YouTubers. Bye! Over and out.